Let's learn how to draw a cute popsicle. First, draw the popsicle shape. Add the chocolate drip. Draw the stick. Add the eyes and mouth. Draw a heart on the stick. Add the sprinkles. Draw the outline. Add colors. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a big like. Want to see more videos like this? Make sure to subscribe and stay updated with all the latest content. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a big like. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Kids Learning Adventures for more learning videos.